Hey you guys, what is up and welcome to another episode of Test This Skincare Pin. But hold up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Hilaramar Elixir, as well as Aqua de Roses. So make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. And in this episode of Test This Skincare Pin, we will be trying the ultimate skin tightening, firming, anti-aging DIY mask, and that mask is coffee and honey. So essentially coffee and honey is supposed to tighten your skin, firm it up, and then you're supposed to get anti-aging properties. And you know, as a middle-aged old woman, just joking, y'all, calm down. For all the older people, please calm down, please. You know I'm all about anti-aging. You know I'm all about looking 16 at 40, you know. So then this episode we're gonna try this pen, except this time I will be using instant coffee. So we will be using instant coffee because last time I did this on my other channel and I used regular coffee and I felt like it was more of a scrub. It wasn't a mask that would have any benefits. So this is what the instant coffee looks like. Y'all can see. So we will be adding that. So we're just going to do about a tablespoon. So this is about a tablespoon and a half. And we're going to add it to the bowl. So to that, we're going to add honey. Now, the recipe on Pinterest calls for a tablespoon of honey. But what I'm going to do is, because it's pretty cold here, I'm just going to let the honey, like, swirl around it or, like, cover the mask. So we're going to see. I hope it's enough for the whole face. So y'all know it's cold here, so that's why my honey looks like this. So once you have your mixture, you want to mix it in your little bowl. So this is what it looks like. So now let's just smear it over the face. Ooh. Ooh. So essentially it just says smear it over the face, but instead of like literally going in a downward motion in order to tighten the skin, you want to go in an upward motion. Look at, I'm just doing what the pen say. So upward motions, y'all. Now if you do use instant coffee, it's more of a I would say so you got to make sure you grind the coffee up. I didn't have one of those. My little grinder, my makeup grinder, is missing, or my skincare that I use for my skincare DIY skincare treats, sometimes I grind the herbs up. It's missing, so I have no clue where it is. So you know, we just gonna have to work with grinding it. So this is how much I have left. I have some on the spatula, so we're gonna use that. Get some under that eye, cause you know my eyes been looking droopy lately. Did I tell y'all my eyes, like ever since I had a child, like after I've had a child, like my under eye area don't look as bright and youthful as it used to be. They look dark and raccoonish. Oh my God. So the mask says let this sit for 20 minutes. So we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes and then we'll be back. I feel no tingling sensation. It's just a nice little mask. So yeah, let it sit. Okay, you guys, so we're back. And the first thing I want to say is it's really itchy. Maybe because I used instant coffee and I should have just used like coffee grounds. But this stuff is really, really itchy. So yeah. So, I mean, I don't know. It's itchy. It is drying. You can see. So, yeah, let's just go take it off her face. I have the water right here. The infinite water bowl. So, yeah. This stuff. So, it's really hard. So, y'all know I'm using paper towels, so. This water is so cold. This stuff is really sticky. Oh. So now you're supposed to wipe it off in a like downward motion. Like so. So I mean, not downward, y'all know, upward, like up. Look at the water. It's already brown. So I'm gonna just okay, so we pretty much got it all off our face. Yeah, it's off. Let me get a paper towel to dry off the face. This is the year of the paper towels for Test This Skincare Pin. They are easy to clean up and, you know. Whew. Let me see. So there's a little coffee remnants left. So let's do a close-up and tell me what y'all think. What do y'all think? Okay. Face is a little red. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let me know. So, I mean, my skin feels bouncy. I mean, I think it will work. I mean, for a good boost of shot. Now, who knows during the day, like once you get in the, you know, once you're in the climate of the outside world, who knows if the the effects of this will wear off. But I think for a one-time use, my skin looks good. What do y'all think? Do y'all think it looks good? Hold on, let me look in the mirror. Oh my God, it looks really good. It looks more bouncy and lively. I'm gonna add Miracle Glow Oil because my skin's feeling a little dry. So let's add that. But yeah, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. I like it. It wasn't as messy as the ones we've used before. Y'all know as always, I use Miracle Glow Oil as my moisturizer. You can find it at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow Oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. So make sure you check that out at savvynaturalista.com. Let me get my eye area. I told y'all my eye area has been looking a hot mess lately, so I gotta get that. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think? It's my skin's a little red. It's a little sore. I think because I didn't grind up the instant coffee. It's still a little crumbly, so that's probably why. But other than that, I like it for like a good boost. I can see like my cheeks are much firmer. Can y'all tell? My cheeks look much firmer to me. What do y'all think? My cheeks look firmer. Wow. So yeah, I will use it, but I don't know. See, this is my issue. I don't know over time if this is one that I would use over time to help tighten my skin. I don't know. Would you guys use this over time? But this is good for like a boost or a shot of, like, you know how you get a shot of Botox and that lasts a few months? Well, this feels like you could get a shot of caffeine in your skin and it will last about a few hours. That's what I feel. So, you know, you got a date, you know, are you going somewhere with the girls? You want to go to the club, or, you know, you just want high cheekbones for a photo, you know, then, you know, yeah, use this. But other than that, I don't know. I don't feel like over time it will work. I just don't feel that way. It just doesn't feel like that to me. But who knows? Who knows? Pinterest swears by it, y'all. Pinterest swears by it. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who am I? But anyways, you guys, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this pen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com. And I'll see you in our next episode of Test This Skincare Pen. And thanks so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye, you guys.